Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price with DaVinci J15. We are going to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum because, well, believe it or not only that there is something unfolding in the charts, no, the next big move is imminent. And we are talking about a very big move. For Bitcoin, we are talking about a move of at least 10,000 US dollars. And for Ethereum, a move of at least 1,000 US dollars. Is this one going to be towards the upside or towards the downside? Well, we are going to talk exactly about that with DaVinci J15. So right now, I want you to come to the most important question of today. But before I'm asking this question, I wanted to incentivize everyone. Guys, if you appreciate this free content, if you appreciate DaVinci J15 joining our stream here, make sure you smash up the like button as you have never smashed it before. And with that being said, right now I finally want to come to the most important question of today. DaVinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
Man, I'm in the pipe 5 by 5. It's great to be alive, man. Awesome, awesome. You know what? Dubai is a little hot right now. It says here on my watch, it's 43 degrees Celsius. And then
I saw that. So I will try my best to get you over here as soon as possible. But with that being said, DaVinci, thank you so much. Oh, by the way, guys, do you know that DaVinci is blowing up on social media? Follow him on Twitter, follow him on Instagram at DaVinciJ15 everywhere, and also on TikTok, the same handle. Make sure you follow him right now. But now, DaVinci, let's go into the content because, well, Bitcoin is about to break out very soon, but for many people with a big surprise, also Ethereum is in front of a breakout right now. And the volatility might be bigger than we have ever seen it before. So maybe you can share your screen and we can talk about not only the breakout direction, also the price targets and the potential trades we are looking at right now.
All right, let's do that. Let's do that. Well, as you can see, right, we're putting in an M here. Dun, dun, dun. It's over. Oh my God. You know how it is, right? When you know what I say is whenever the market's smiling at you, right here, right, and it's like giving a big smile, it's ready to take your money, right? It's like, what? why you got to do that for? And if we take the measured move, right, from the top to the bottom of this this M pattern here, right, you can see I'm taking this measured move right here from the top to the bottom.
I think we can call it McDonald's pattern now in the future.
Exactly. I ain't loving it. I ain't loving it. You can see that we're coming all the way down to the $25,000 mark. And you know what? Carl sent me a very funny message here. Let me just bring it up because it was funny, right? And I have to show it off here. He's like, somebody sent him this message, right? I have a few words with your mate, DaVinci. He's bearish right now. I'm sick of it. And I'm like, I'm not trying to be bearish here. The charts are telling me to be bearish, right? So I have to listen to what the charts say, right? Yeah. I can't go anything else. I can't do anything else, right? As you can, and so unfortunately, this is going to be. We're getting closer and closer to a breakout move here, right? As you said, right, in the intro. Because you can see the Bollinger Bands, which are right here. I'm going to point to them in a second here. The Bollinger Bands are getting narrow. You can see the top band right here is getting narrow, and the bottom band as well is also getting narrow as well. As you can see right here, there's a top bottom band right there, the little red one. Yeah. And I'm going to hit the control key, and there we can navigate. There we go. There we go. Oops. Control. Yes. There we go. So, yeah, you can see the bottom and top bands are closing in on each other. They probably have to tighten up a little bit more before we see some action. So don't be surprised if we get some sideways chop for the next week, right, before we actually go whoosh down, or who knows? Because remember, every single M is also a hidden W, right? Right here.
Potential, yeah.
Potential W, yes. Right, so yeah, so keep that in mind, right? And so if we break the top of this, that means waboosh up, and if we break the bottom, it's waboosh down. Yeah. Simple as that. So exactly. That's the way it is. Now with the bands, we have all it tells us that this is a big move is coming. It's not going to come just yet. There is going to be some sort of fake out in the one direction or the other. So don't jump onto any particular trade in one particular direction all the way to some sort of major number. For example, anything above this line and below this, above the 40,100 or 41,000, actually 41,000, and anything below the 29,800 or 30,000 is basically a for sure thing that, hey, we're going in that direction at this point in time. So
yeah. Personally, man, I'm not looking forward to that bearish scenario. I do agree if we close below the previous low, we also have the symmetrical triangle potential breakdown here. Then, of course, this is a potential price target. Let's wait and see what happens here. We can still break towards the upside. My price target for that was slightly below the 50K level. So regardless, a more than 10,000 US dollar move. And what we can do, well, we can just long or short the breakout, right? I'm not gonna short if we break down, but I'm gonna definitely not touch my holding portfolio as well, because in the end of the day, might be just a fake out to the downside to create some selling pressure. Let's talk about Ethereum as well, Da Vinci. I remember what we talked about before I pressed recording. So we have some very, very interesting things about to share about Ethereum for sure as well. So the stage is yours.
Yeah, so there's a lot of support levels here, down here. So I find it really hard for it to, if Ethereum, right? I'm targeting the 14,000, well, 15,000-ish area, because again, the market is smiling at us, laughing at us, saying, "Ha, gonna take your money." Right? So, yeah, okay, alrighty. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, well, the breakout level, of course, is all the way down here at the 2100, 2200 actually dollar level, and you could start looking for hunting for shorts up here, because I mean, I think we're mostly bearish across the board here on all the both Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's okay if you look for some sort of, like, you know, return up to the top and hit the short, but I would go down to shorter time frames to find some sort of short. You can see, yeah, there it is. You can see it right there. There is a clear short on the lower time frames that you could probably take, breakout short that you could take, and then you could hold it all the way down to make 17 or something. There you go. You can see, there it is. So if it breaks this bottom level here, right? Yeah, it's adios muchachos.
And so, once again, like $1,000 move, maybe even more than $1,000 move.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So you would lean more towards the downside. I'm personally, of course, like technically we should break towards the downside. If we are in the narrative of a bull market, I have a very hard time believing that there is much more downside. So I think personally, trading wise, I'm just stepping back a little bit. I'm a little bit more cautious, only trading confirmed breakouts, because there are fake outs across the board as well. Hodling wise, I'm not changing anything, to be honest. I may be a little bit more neutral now, but seeing you bearish makes me a little bit concerned, Da Vinci. Let's wait and see what's happening here. Let me know maybe in the comment section down below, guys. How are you right now? How are you biased? Do you think more that we are going to break down? Do you think that we are more likely going to break out towards the upside? This is, of course, just wishful thinking, but I would like to know your sentiment, guys. And I will also go down below and also interact with you a little bit in the comment section. Of course, smash up the like button as well. Da Vinci, we have to actually wrap it up already here. My energy is running low on the computer, but I wanted to know from you, do you have anything to share? Anything, any important things you want to bring out to the public before we are wrapping it up?
Yeah, make sure you head over to davincij15.com and join us in my subscription group, because I'm buying alts like crazy. I'm getting lots of good deals, right? Finding deals and actually showing my subscribers some of the alts I'm buying. Of course, I'm doing some videos, so make sure you subscribe to my videos, and yeah, you could front run me on that. Unfortunately, I get majorly front run on those on the alts that I do publish to the public. So I'm just going to keep a lot of the good ones that I want to buy to a private group. So if you want to join that private group, do so at davincij15.com. Thanks.
Perfect. Easy enough, but I will also leave the links down below. Make sure you click it. Also, I have in the pinned comment like $3,000 for free for you. So check out the pinned comment down below. You just click the link, you make an account after initial deposit. You get the bonus for free. And also make sure you check the Telegram group down there, the MMCrypto Telegram group. We are a lot of people there, 45,000 or so. So make sure you join us over there. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thanks, Da Vinci, for joining us. Thanks for smashing up the like button and making the MMCrypto family to what it is with all your engagement, with all your support. The most supportive crypto family in the world. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, Da Vinci, any last words to share?
Always play from a position of strength and do not get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you version at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Bye-bye.
Awesome.